How to change app icons on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change an app icon on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Themes app on your phone. And here, once you're inside the Themes app, simply search for the theme that you like. And here, once you have found the theme that you want to change to, simply tap on it. And now here, inside that theme, you'd see the app icons with it. So if you like the app icons, just download the themes and apply it. And once you're done applying, your system app icons have a fresh new look. And with that, also note that system icons like settings, messages, and phone will change, but apps like Facebook, Instagram might not. And with that, there is also an alternative method. So here you can just open the Play Store and search for icon pack or icon changer to find apps that lets you fully customize icons, sizes and styles, and even the app names. And that's it. That's how you can completely change your Android app icons. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.